Evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good
everyone.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Did you people do the test? There were two homeworks, test and the exercise of time and money. So you can tell me. First, we'll collect the doubts of the exercise. So first, exercise doubts, then the test doubts. Send me just the exercise doubts first. Say, Jia. Say, Jia.
Ma'am, I was absent, so I couldn't do the homework.
That's okay. And anyone else who's not done it can type it in the chat box, unmute and say it's fine. Yes, Adna, say.
Ma'am, I did the test, but ma'am, because I saw in the group what was the homework of last class, but ma'am, I didn't see the exercise homework.
Oh, okay. Exercise question number 9 from Samriddhi. Test this. Yes, Rianchi.
Ma'am, there was a glitch in my system, so I could not join the class.
9. Okay. 4 and 9 are the common
So,
doubts I've collected so far. Not done, Shrihan. Got no doubts, and I feel there's a difference in question number 20. Yeah, sure, Aditi. We'll discuss it. It's in the exercise or the test 20.
ma'am,
9.
test.
Test. Okay, wait. First, we'll discuss this and then we will go with the next one. Say, Nanika.
Ma'am, I didn't do the exercise, but I did the test since like the same reason as Sadhana.
Okay. Samriddhi, say, then we'll go to Arnav.
Sorry for not doing the test because I was ill, but I did the exercise at least.
Okay, take care. No problem. It's fine. Um, yeah, Arnav, say.
Ma'am, I got 20 out of 19.
19 out of 20. Okay.
Ma'am,
Good job.
tomorrow is my birthday.
Yes, we'll wish you a happy birthday in advance. Wait, we'll do that at the end. Okay. So that it's more close to your birthday. Say, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I
Sing.
couldn't do my test because I had my math, science, unit tests, and also my Kannada recitation of my poem.
Okay, fine. No problem. It's okay. Manasvi, I got the doubts which you shared in the group. Okay, that was related to the patterns one, right? So that doubt, see, that will be, you are in my reasoning batch, correct, Manasvi? Yeah, we will be learning that in the reasoning chapter. So do not worry about it. But now if you want me to solve that, we can do it also. Like we can discuss how should you do about that question. So don't worry. We have that chapter also in the reasoning. But we will do it. We'll discuss it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 20 number is for test, right, Shivani? Don't give me the test doubts right now, otherwise I'll get confused. Let's just collect the exercise doubts. Yeah, connection problem, Sanika. It's okay, fine. Parth Sharma, no doubts. Mishika, 2 and 3 of what? Exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sanya, not done.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Manvik. So we have 2, 3, and 4, and 9. First, we'll finish up these 4 questions from the test, then, sorry, exercise, then we'll go to the test. Okay? Yes, Manvik, say.
Ma'am, can I send you like my doubts now because
Yeah, it's okay. Send me. That's okay. From the exercise first, okay? Then I'll ask for the tests again. Shivani, 4 and 9. Yeah, I have that. Exercise number 3 is your doubt. Advika, not done the test. No problem, Manasvi. It's okay. Bhumek is joining after 4 minutes. Okay, fine. Let him join. We'll get started. And Manvik, send me your doubts. We'll take that up.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Bhumek. You're late to the class.
Ma'am, I'll send you some doubt.
Bhumik, tell me here. What
Yeah.
doubt? In the test, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the test doubts will be taken in some time. Right now, I'm taking the exercise doubts. You can
Okay,
just
ma'am.
see that. See, if it is from a different book or you are doing that worksheets, which I don't have access to, then send it as a screenshot there in the group. Otherwise, if it's a exercise or a test, you can tell me the question number. I can share the screen. No
Okay,
problem.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Manvik, say.
Ma'am, can you tell the exercise number? I forgot the exercise number.
8.1. So let's start the second question. So let's do the second question with Reanshi. Reanshi, I just want your help in conversion. Okay, so tell me how much is 35 rupees in paise? Reanshi, 35 rupees in paise? Yeah, Manasvi, please take care. No, you just keep your camera off, lie down and just hear it. It's completely fine.
Ma'am, can I get 30 seconds to take?
No, I've already done. Given you 30 seconds. What are you doing? You unmuted now. I've asked you for so long now. Fast, fast, Reanshi. Others are answering me in the chat box. Good job. Shivani. Yes. Okay. Say Reanshi. 35. 1 rupees. How many paise?
Ma'am, 100.
So 35 is?
Um, 35 into 100.
That is 3,500, Reanshi. You have to be very quick in this. This is something very simple. Let's ask Bhumik the next question. Bhumik, what is 3.5 rupees in paise?
3.5 means paisa means um uh, we will do 3,350.
Correct. Because 3.5 into 100 we learned in decimals. We will multiply. We'll get 3,500, but a dot after the one digit. So that makes it 350. Now let's add up all of them. So Manvik, can you add up all of them for me?
Ma'am, please give me 1 minute.
No, 1 minute is too much. 0, 0, 0.
Ma'am,
You do it with
0,
me.
4, 0, 5 becomes 6, 9, 6, 1, 4, 46.
Thank you.
46 rupees.
4,600 paise. That's the right answer. And the third question is the exact same question. The only thing we have to do is to convert the paise into rupees. So, Arnav, can you convert the paise into rupees?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer.
Ma'am, 7.50.
Huh?
Ma'am, 750. Huh?
This is the question.
Oh. So, ma'am, we have to plus 750 or 3.5.
Arnav, your turn is done. Aditi, what's the value? Convert the paise into rupees. This is the same question, Arnav. Pay attention. Say Aditi.
Ma'am, we should divide by 100. So 4,600 divided by 100 equals to 46.
Thank you. Question number 2 and 3 was a doubt. Mishika, did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I just got confused in the conversion.
That's okay. Thank you. All right, let's go to the next question. Question number 4. Janvi, this was your doubt?
Ma'am, I meant in the test, ma'am, not here.
Okay. Then Janvi, tell me what's the starting time?
The starting time is 10:20.
10:20. Gia, tell me the ending time.
Ma'am, the ending time is 12:35.
That's right. Hanifa, can you tell me the duration of Mohan's exam now that we know the end time and the start time?
Ma'am, we have to do 12:35 minus 10:20, which is 2 hours 15 minutes.
That's right. Thank you. Option C is the right answer for question number 4. Any doubts? No doubts. All right, all right, all right. Let's go to Samriddhi Srivastava for the 9th question. 9th question is your doubt, Samriddhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we can't go to you. Let's go to Devashri. Devashri, there is 500 rupees in Maddie's bank account. And if we subtract 10 rupees and 10 paise every day from Maddie's bank for 10 days, then can you tell me how much money are we taking out? Not left, not the answer of the question. How much money is taken out in 10 days?
101 rupees.
So there are two ways of doing this multiplication. One way are for the decimal lovers. So if you people are decimal lovers, then you can actually convert the 10 paisa into 10.1. 10.1 will mean 10 rupees and 10 paise. So it's rupees 10.1. And you all can multiply this number with 100 and you will be getting how much? 1010. 1010 rupees. If you are a decimal lover, imagine you are not a decimal lover. Shrihan, you are a decimal lover and you are not a decimal lover.
Miss Decimal.
So you would use this method.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who is not a decimal lover wants to do the question separately? Okay, these guys who are raising hand are already okay. Mishika. Mishika, not a this decimal lover. So you will multiply 10 rupees separately for 10 days and get 100 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you will multiply 10 paise for 10 days and you will get 100
Paise,
paise.
which will automatically convert into 1 rupee added.
What is the problem here?
Ma'am, because there's 0.1 added also, like in the decimal.
Yeah. No, my question is if I multiply 10.1 into 100, should I get 101 rupee or 1010 rupee? I should get a
Ma'am,
100.
like this only, 10.
You're not correct. I'll tell you why. Why am I multiplying with 100? You never told me that. I should multiply it with a 10 only, no? So now 101 and this is also 101 if you add it. So as I said, there are two ways of doing it. You can keep your hands down, everyone. Thank you. So the decimal lovers will convert 10 rupees 10 paise into 10.1 and then multiply it with a 10 to get 101 rupee. And the people who are not comfortable with 0.1, they can solve the question separately for rupees and separately for paise. Both of them is going to give you the same answer, which is 101. Right? 101 is taken out of the bank. So let's finalize the answer with Sadhna. Sadhna, if 101 rupees is taken out, then what is the leftover money?
Ma'am, one second, just a minute.
No, solve with me right now. Quick.
Ma'am, 499.
500 minus 101, which is equals to, no, not 499. When
Oh,
you're
sorry.
taking,
Oh, yeah,
It-
sorry, 399.
yeah, do it mentally, everyone. You take 100 out, you are left with 400, and then you take one more out. So you're left with 399. Option A. Any doubts in the 9th question? The 9th question was the last doubt from here. No doubts. All of you, clear? Okay. Confirm the ones who joined late. No other question, right? Which you had a doubt in. My God, Aditi, such detailed explanations. Very nice. Okay, fine. Says Jia.
You forgot to rename yourself.
Point. Thank you. Say Manvik.
Ma'am, I have sent you a few messages telling the reason that why I haven't done the exercise.
Let me read it. This is Manvik, 3 messages. Okay, done. No problem, Manvik. It's completely fine. Okay, then we are moving towards the test. Let me go to the test now. Say, Manvik.
Ma'am, it's the same for the test. And my cousins were also over. And they are right now also here.
It's okay. Don't blame your cousins for not doing the homework.
Ma'am, I'm not blaming them. I'm telling the reason test.
Tell them. Okay, now you can send me the questions which you have in the test. Yeah, Mishika, say.
Sorry, ma'am, by mistake.
Okay, it's very difficult for me to collect the doubts from each chat, you know. I have to go to each chat and do it. It's very, 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 very hard. 2-7. Okay, I'm remembering it. 2-7. Okay, Adya. Shivani, 20. 1 second, Advika. 2-7-20. Did not do. 2-7-20. 2-7-20. 2-7-20. No doubts. Ishika, no doubts. Part. Wait. 2-7-20 and this. 2-7-20. This. Yeah, Advika, say.
This, if you don't want to go into those boxes, and you can just open the group chat and then people can send and then close it.
People are not smart. So they have to come to the main chat and send the message, and half of them don't do that. Janvi, I got it. That's the problem. I've tried that once before and they still send me in the public chat. So that is the, private chat. And then teaching 25 of them, this would be difficult. It's okay. I'm collecting it. 1920 is collected. Arnav, no doubts. Adya. Little doubt in 1 and 2. What is a little doubt? Got wrong Adya in 2 and 7. No, I have taken Aradhya. It's okay. Samriddhi, not done. That's okay. Wait, there is one more chat. Ibrahim. No doubts. Okay. Adya, say.
Ma'am, I did not write. I have little bit of doubt. I written that I had done little of the work of the test.
So you have doubt in 1. Why did you write 1? Do you have doubt in that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. All right, let's get started with the first question. So Ibrahim, help me in the first question. What is the meaning of quarter to 11 o'clock?
Ma'am, 15 minutes.
Quarter to means we are yet to go there, right?
Yeah, 15 minutes too.
So the answer would be 15 minutes before 11.
Yeah, correct.
Did you understand, Adya? Quarter to 11? Yes? Okay. Second question, fill in the blanks. Let's do the second question with Parth Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. The time in the
12 minutes past what in this clock right now? Mishika, you just got a chance. Nowhere near a second chance now.
Ma'am, 7.
Manvik, that one which I gave you was a chance, okay? Now if you have a doubt, then wait, I'll come. Yeah, say
7 o'clock.
that's correct. That is 7 o'clock. This is between 7 and 8, so it is 12 minutes past 7. Say Manvik, what's the doubt?
Ma'am, my doubt is like. Oh, now I understand. I accidentally forgot.
Mishika, don't do this. Your hand will hurt. Don't do this, please.
Ma'am, I
Shivani,
was just
next
thinking
one.
like, if it was on 3, then only it will be 12. Now I remembered.
Okay. Shivani, say next one. Dash minutes to 8 o'clock.
48.
60 minus 12. 48. Okay, 7 and 48, option B is the answer. Adya, clear on this one also? Someone else also had a doubt in 2. Aradhya. Clear, Aradhya? Then Aradhya, you help me in the 7th one. Read the question for me, Aradhya. Loudly.
Sam was to board a flight at 845 hours. Her flight was
We
to
don't
take
call it 845. We call 0845.
45.
Anyway, yes. It's no, not
Her
45. It's not decimals. It's 45. 8 and then 45. It's okay. You continue.
Her flight was to take 5 hours 20 minutes to reach her destination, but it got delayed by 50 minutes. What was the time she reached at her destination now?
Parth, doubt? Okay, ask. Don't say the answer. And Aradhya, find out the answer till Parth is asking his doubt.
Ma'am, I also sent the question doubt test and there was 5 doubt also.
What?
I sent you the test doubt and in it there was 5 with the doubt also. 5,
5
8,
number
9,
also.
9, 10. 5,
Oh,
8,
yeah,
9,
yeah,
9,
yeah.
10.
Correct. It's there in the chat. 4 and 5 both. I'll take it after 7. Yes, Aradhya, number 7.
Ma'am, I actually got this wrong. My answer was C.
Okay. So her flight was to take 5 hours and 20 minutes to reach. So technically it was supposed to reach at what time? When you add 5 hours 20 to this time, what do you get? Just
Ma'am,
add and tell me.
we will get 5, 6, 1 carry, so it would be 14.
14:05 is the right time, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we'll wind up this question. What happened, Jia?
Ma'am, why is 4 plus 2 0?
Because it's 65 and 65 is not written, so she has transferred that 60 minutes as 1 hour over here.
Okay.
Okay. Janvi, now if the flight is 50 minutes delayed, then what time did the flight reach?
Ma'am, that means, ma'am, do you hear a mixie running?
What do you mean?
Do you no, right? Okay. It's actually the answer is 55, 14:55. The A is the answer.
Thank you. Say Devashri.
There is written that it is 8:45 hours and we added 5 hours 20 minutes. Then why is the minutes under the hours?
Wait, I'll show you the actual calculation. Aradhya, you're making it troublesome for others. Why did you do it in double jumps? So when you do it like this, you get 65 minutes, Devashri, and here you get 13 hours. But we
No,
never
I
write
mean,
which part?
the 20 is not after 45 because it's minutes and 45 hours.
That's exactly how you read 8:45 in minutes. So
Okay.
that's the digital way of writing the minutes. Okay, Devashri. Okay, this is minus 60, 0.5, and this is plus 60, which is plus 1. So 14. For the people who did not understand, not for Devashri. Okay, done. Question number 7. Shall I go to 4-1 now? Naman, read the 4th question for me. Which number will come at the top? A or B?
And B.
B. Good. But wait, Naman, you're rejoining?
No, ma'am.
I can see another device logging in.
Ma'am, there was a.
Okay. Mute. You stay muted. You join from there. Leave this and then unmute. Say, Parth, what is the question?
My question was 5, 5th one.
Can you see in the chat box that there is also a question called fourth one?
Okay.
So I'm going in an order. I missed the fourth and the fifth. Okay, fine. So Naman, are you ready to unmute now?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, how will I borrow?
Ma'am, 6 minus 1, 5.
Not possible. 6 minutes are less than 11 minutes.
Ma'am, we will borrow 60 minutes from hours
And the hours will become?
21.
Now 66 minus 11 is?
And it is 55.
That's right. And 21 minus 9?
Ma'am, 10.
No.
Ma'am, it's
Adya? No, second chance. Adya, 21 minus 9.
Ma'am, 21 minus 9 is. Ma'am, can you give me 1 second?
No, absolutely not. Samriddhi Singh, 21 minus 9?
And 21 minus 9 is 18.
That is also wrong. Nanika, 21 minus 9?
Ma'am, 21 minus 9 is it's
10
11.
seconds up. Sanya, 21 minus 9. Today's Gimkit, Bluekit, whatever we'll play will be on subtraction. You guys are really bad at it. Sanya, 21 minus 9. Do not try to answer the people who are raising hand. If I hear a single person speaking other than Sanya, 1 second, Sanya, then you would, the entire class will bear the consequences. Yes, Sanya.
And the answer is 12.
Fine. 12 hours, 55 minutes. That's option D. Sanya, Shivani, who had the doubt? Shivani, you had the doubt, right? Is it clear? Okay, Manasvi, what happened?
No, ma'am, I didn't.
Can you tell what's the answer of the 7th question?
What's the answer? The 7th question. I have to go back and check. I don't really. 14:55. Option A.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Vedant, 26 minutes late to the class. What happened?
I'm sorry, ma'am. Because I'm late because I went to a birthday party.
What did you bring back? Is this useful?
I think yes, it is.
What is it?
A game of basketball toy and some pencil case, that's all.
Okay, fine. So let's go to question number 5. Parth is very, very worried about this question. Keeps on reminding me, ma'am, this is my question. Okay, then we'll do this question quickly. Let's hire someone for this question. Vivek, let's hire you. 7 hours, 48 minutes, and 35 seconds. 3 hours, 45 minutes, 40 seconds. Let's add them. What is 35 plus 40? Unmute and say. Are you drinking water
75.
with a straw, Mishika? Is that water?
Ma'am, it's 75.
75 seconds. Okay. Done. Then we'll go and ask this to Advika. Advika, 48 and 45 minutes.
Ma'am, 48 plus 45 is 39.
49 is the wrong answer. Sanika,
Ma'am, 39.
39 is also the wrong answer. Don't tell me the converted answer, Advika. Tell me the original answer. The original sum of 48 and 45.
Ma'am, 96 is the total answer.
96. That's still wrong. Sanika, 48 plus 45. Sanika is not there. Hanifa, second round.
Ma'am, it is 93.
93 minutes. We'll do the conversion at the end, okay? Manasvi, 7 plus 3. Okay, you will not be able to answer, you said. Oh, you're there. Okay, perfect. 10. So, Manasvi, you only do the conversion. Second chance to you only. 75 seconds will become how many seconds? We'll shift the 60 seconds to the other side, no, Manasvi? So, how much?
Ma'am, it will become 15 and 1 to the 48.
1 comes here, that means it comes here, it becomes 90, 94, and but 94 is still more. So Nanika, 94 will become how many minutes?
94 will become 14 minutes. Sorry, not 14, 33, 34.
34 minutes, and 1 will come here and it will become 11 hours. That means the answer will be 11 hours, 34 minutes and 15 seconds. All of you done? Vedant is still bragging his gifts, return gifts to someone. Oh my God, what did I do? Okay, yeah, I'm still in the, no, I am out of the test. Say Arna, why are you raising your hand?
Why do we minus 60?
Because we never write time as more than 60 seconds or more than 48 seconds. I mean 60 minutes, because we can shift that extra time to the right left hand side. Okay. Okay, let's check what's the next doubt you have after 9. No, after 7 we have number 8 and 9. Okay, let's go to number 8. 8 and 9 we'll do, then we'll go for a break. So question number 8, we'll start this with Samriddhi Singh. Samriddhi Singh, Aaron studies for 3 hours 45 minutes and starts at 8:05. What to do? Add, subtract.
Ma'am, we have to add 45 minutes. Ma'am, that is equals to 50 minutes. And then we have to plus 3 minutes. I mean 3 hours to 8.
That
Ma'am,
gives
so we'll get 11. 11.
quite a late night study. 11:50 p.m. Thank you, Samriddhi Singh. Everyone okay with question number 8? 11:50. Bhumik ready? Second round. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, I
Always
just wanted
ready.
to tell there was a guy in my school called Aaron. He was in my class last year.
Now, please call him up and ask him
Ma'am,
if he
always
was the one.
ready.
Okay, if he was the one who studied till 11:50 p.m. Number 9, Bhumik. Read the question.
Yeah, ma'am. Dave was 4 years, 2 months old when he joined school. Today he is 11 years, 1 month old. For how long has been in school? We have to minus we have to minus 11 minus 4 and 2 minus 1.
2 minus 1. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your final answer, Bhumik?
7 years, 1 month. Nancy 1.
No, that's the wrong answer. Bhumik, how much did you get in this test?
18.
This was the wrong answer then. Ma'am got you in the wrong question.
Yeah.
Manvik, what's the answer for the 9th one? What are we writing at the top and what are we writing at
The
the
correct
bottom?
answer for the ninth question is 6 months, ma'am. 6 months, 6 years, 8 months.
That's also the wrong answer, not in the options.
Ma'am, please let me recheck. Please give me 1 minute.
No,
Okay.
sorry. Second chance for Advika. Advika, second chance.
Sorry, ma'am.
Answer of this question number 9.
Ma'am, we have 9. They
What are you
were
doing, Advika? When we are discussing a question in the class, I have told all of you to pay attention, even if it's not your doubt. If it's really not your doubt, then you should look at the question and say the answer. So therefore, you have to be very vigilant in the class when a question is going on. Do not raise hand for answering questions. If you have a doubt, then say Rianchi.
Ma'am, I don't have a doubt.
Vedant, what's the answer of question number 9?
Ma'am, the answer is 9A because
That's also wrong. Nanika, second chance.
What done?
Second
So the
chance.
answer of question 9 is B.
How?
Like I did like since 4 like plus 6 is equal to 10, so then 6 years, and then for it to become 11 years, it will become 10 months, and then for 1 month more, it's 6 years and 11 months.
Yeah. If you go by the carry or the borrow feature also, then you would see this, that 1 month is less than 2 months. So you cannot subtract it. So you will take 1 year borrow and 1 year is 12 months. So this is basically becoming a 13 months. 13 months minus 2 is 11 months. And 10 minus 6, 4 is 6 years. So 6 years and 11 months. Simple. The moment you saw a 1 month minus 2 months, you used to you can understand from there that it is 11 months. Did you understand this thing? Say Samriddhi Srivastav.
Miss, I wanted a chance.
Wait, no, what do you mean I wanted a chance? I just told Rianshi not to do that. You guys, why are you disturbing in this way? You know that I will come. If I'm going to others, would I not come to you? Hands down if you wanted to answer the question. And if you have a doubt, then ask Ms. Shika. Naman, stop annotating on my screen.
Ma'am, ma'am, I did it this way that 2 months, like 11 months plus 1 month is equal to 12 months, and we carry over 11 and give 1 minute 1. So our years will be 6 and months will be 11. Is this way correct?
Correct. Say Arnav.
We do shortcut here, when we can see.
Your voice is breaking. You're stuck. Jia, say.
Ma'am, so why isn't the answer 9 months?
9 is not the half of 12. No, 1 month less than 12 is 11. We have total 11 months. I mean 12 months. So why would the answer be 9? 10 minus 1 is 9, but 12 minus 1 is 11. 12 is the total.
Why did we get 12?
Arey, 1 year has 12 months, that's why.
Okay.
Say Arnav.
Ma'am, there are 2 months written in whole year, there is 12 months. So we can add 10 and 1 month, so 11. And there is a shortcut B. Fine.
Yeah, correct. That works. Ibrahim, say.
Ma'am, I was saying I had just made a mistake by making it A and then I recorrected it in time. But I was asking what are the common mistakes like students make
Common
in.
mistakes are this only. The 9 months is a common mistake, and 1 month is a common mistake. People do this. 11 minus 4, they do 7. But they just, while reading the question, they think that 2 is coming first in the sentence. So 2 minus 1 is 1. That's a common mistake. Okay. Say, Jia, any other doubts? No? Then in that case, let's go for a quick short break. Yes, Manasvi, ask.
Ma'am, can do you start the other chapter now?
No, no,
Like
Manasvi.
in this,
No, no, no.
ma'am, so can I leave because I have not
Yeah,
done
yeah,
this
Manasvi,
and
take care. It's okay, it's okay. You can take care also. And your other doubt, we can do that later. No problem. Take
okay,
care.
then
Bye.
thank you.
Good night.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, fine, everyone. So let's go for a short break. We'll come back from the break and then do the remaining questions. Okay. See you in 5 minutes. Welcome back. Let's start with the remaining questions quickly. Question number 9 is done. Oh, quite less. Oh, 19, 20 only. That's nice. Okay, so we have just two more doubts, 19 and 20. Very good. Okay, but then I said, Manasvi, that we will not start anything new. Yeah, anyways, we would not. So here comes number 19. Okay, that's a lot of addition I see. Biscuits worth 56 paise. A bottle of Coca costs 1 rupee 14 paise. Anna buys 4 packets of biscuits and 1 bottle of cola and then pays 10 rupee note. So how much does she get back? We have a lot of content here. So Arnav, multiply 4 with 56 and tell me what do we get? Arnav is stuck. Ibrahim, 4 into 56. Ibrahim is just not back.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am,
Arnav is there. Arnav, say.
2 to 4.
2 to 4. I believe you, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
2 to 4 means rupees 2 and 24 paise. Can I say this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jia. Second point for you.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
rupee and 14 paise.
Okay, I'll 3.4 3.38.
3.38. Then
Yes.
we'll go to Adya. Adya, what's the answer of the question then?
Ma'am, the answer of the question is C, rupees 3.38.
I get the right children at the right time. See? Adya, read the question. Samriddhi Srivastav. What's the answer of the question? Ibrahim, I called you a few seconds back. Now your turn is gone.
Ma'am, can I say something? My internet
Yeah.
is not working because I went to another website just by mistake and then I was not able to come back. That's why. I heard
That's
you.
okay. It's fine,
Just-
fine. Arnav, don't say the answer. Tell me what happened.
Ma'am,
Can I-
my also internet connection is unstable.
You can keep your cameras off, guys. It's okay. Samriddhi Srivastav? No.
Answer for the question is option C.
C. C, right, Samriddhi?
Yes.
That's the wrong answer. Very good. Did not read the question again. Samriddhi, not expected from you. Aditi, second chance.
Ma'am, now we have to minus 10.00 with 3.38, which gives us rupees 6.62. So option D is the correct answer.
Check and tell me if you have any doubts, anyone. Number 19. Adya and Samriddhi understood what to do. Read the full question. Do not skip it in the middle. Everyone okay?
Yes.
Yeah. G. Number 20. Devashri, read the question number 20 for me, please.
A class trip will cost 996 rupees and 66 paise. If 24 students are going for the trip, then how much will each student pay?
So what should I multiply first or divide first?
396 rupees and 66 paise by 24.
Okay, this looks to be a big number. So any approximation skills you would like to apply and delete any answer, or you would like to delete it? Divide it step by step.
I have it by the second digit of the answer approximation.
Oh, what's your answer then?
16.53. Option A.
Okay. Okay. So Sadhna, let's do it with you. 39666. Assume that there are no decimal places. So say Sadhna, 24 times 1. Can I start with this?
One second, ma'am. I'm just going to the page. I can tell them.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am. 3966 6 divided by 24. Ma'am, it's
What
ma'am.
will be the second digit?
But ma'am, I did it. I converted into non-decimal and then divided it.
That's okay. I converted it into non-decimal only. I'm assuming that there is no digits after it. No decimals
No,
after
ma'am.
it.
I multiplied it with 100 and
Why are
made
you
it.
making your life difficult? Did I not teach you that only when that happens in the denominator you would multiply and get it done? If the number in the numerator has a decimal, then you don't have to multiply it with 100. Because if you do that, then your denominator will also become 2400. 24 in itself is a hard number to divide it with. Why are you making it more bigger? Tell me. There is no point doing that, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Ma'am, 39 minus 24, 156, and then 24 into 4.
In these type of situations, always try for the maximum value and see if it works. 6 times 4, 24, 2. 6 times 2, 12, 144. It does. It does. That means 505 cannot be the answer. And as Devashri mentioned, that using the second digit only, you can finalize your answer. No need to solve any further. Got it, Sadhna?
Okay,
Got
ma'am.
it, everyone? That's the end point. You don't have to do anything beyond it. Is that okay? Say, Parth.
Ma'am, I have some extra doubts questions so that so can I tell them?
Yeah, you have to send it then. How would you send me those questions?
No, ma'am, I have written those questions. Can you answer it?
Written in the sense, yeah, where have you written it? In the chat box.
I'm in the copy.
So
And
I
it
have
is
to
very
write the full question. No, that's what I was saying. So that's why I say that if there are other questions, either take a picture of them and send it or type it in the chat box. It will be easier, no?
okay, ma'am. I will type it in the chat.
You type at least one of them, and while I'm solving it, then you can type the other one. I'll go to Aditi. Say Aditi.
Ma'am, could you please do the full calculation because I'm not sure whether $16, I mean $16.53 is the correct answer.
Okay. Let's try. So 144 is done. This is 2. This is 1. And this comes down as 6. 126. So let's do it 24 times 5. 5 times 22, 120. So we will go with 5 here, Aditi. That makes it 120. Leaves me with a 6. Another 6 will come down, 66. So 24 times 3, 12, 1, 72. Well, yeah, the answer cannot be 3 here. It should be 2. Okay. But the point here is, Aditi, see, you will get a 2 here only. That is 48. 66 minus 48. That's going to be 8 and 1, 18. But the thing is, when you put down another 0 after putting a dot here, you will see that the answer will be very close to 8 or 9. Let's say this is this, right? So 24 times 8. 8 times 4, 32, 3, 16, 192. So that is 27 times 7. So since you round it up and they have rounded it up and made it 53, rounding up of decimals. So if it's 52.7, they have rounded it to 53, like that.
Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Mishika, say.
Ma'am, but there was like you multiplied the numerator with 100 and you imagine that there was no digit after the decimal, so like 2 digits before the decimal there should be, right?
Yeah, I have written the dot here, but my actual answer had 2 digits after the decimals. So that's why I shifted it 2 digits back.
Oh, so when we estimated, then our answer will be 16.53 only.
Yes, correct. Okay, there's a first doubt from Parth which we have got, and I want all of you to do this. This is something from the decimals chapter, so you all can do this together. In this question, the first thing we will focus on is Parth, do you really think we need the 0? No. Now 2 digits after the decimal and 2 digits after the decimal. That means my final answer should have 4 digits after the decimal. Yes or no? Yeah? Okay. So now let's take a big multiplication. 6, 5, 9, 8, 4-digit number multiplied with 45, 2-digit number. So let's start multiplying it. Okay. 8 times 5 is 40, 4 carry. 9 times 5 is 45, 49, 4 carry. 5 times 5, 25, 29, 2 carry. And this is 32. Now put a cross here, start with the second number. 8 times 4, 32, 3 carry. 9 times 4, 36, 39, 3 carry. 20, 23, 2 carry. 6 times 4, 24, 26. 0, 11, 1, 19, 1, 6, 9, 2. 2 digits, 2 digits. My final answer will have 4 digits after the decimal, which can be written as 29.6191. The 0 after the decimal will not be counted part. Understood? Everyone got the same answer or you have a doubt here? Because I am going to ask you a revision question now today. Say, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, before doing this, we have cutted 1 0. We have removed 1 0. So, no use of that 0, right?
No.
Thank you.
Arnav, say welcome.
Ma'am, I got 39.6910.
See, where is the calculation error? You count. You got an extra carry over somewhere. There is no carry over 2.
1, 3, 6.
Say, Sanya.
Ma'am, when we multiply, shouldn't the answer be more than the question?
No, because it's 0.45 and 0.45 is a number which is less than 1, Sanya. That's basically 45 divided by 100. So you are multiplying by 45. So the number is 45, which you are multiplying, but you're dividing 100. That is way too big. So you're dividing with a bigger number compared to multiplying with whatever number you're multiplying it. Got it? So the final answer will be smaller. Say, Aradhya.
Ma'am, you have accidentally raised your hand right now. Now you removed it.
Yeah, when I do this, automatically it happens. Okay, Jia, say.
Will we have a game today?
Yes, we will. Where did Parth go? Parth, what was the next one? 0.5. In the case of 0.5, do you want me to do it or you understood how to do 0.5? Same method. 0.5 is basically half of this number, Parth. Say something, unmute. Mishika, say.
Ma'am, I understood the question.
Mishika, say.
Ma'am, in this question, ma'am,
The
the
question is gone. Say what happened.
ma'am, in this, if we multiply 65.98 into 100, then the number will be 6,598. And in the next number also, when we multiply by 100, it will be 45. Then can't we do directly like this?
This is not division that it will cancel the 100 and 100. Then your final answer which you're getting should be divided by 100 and divided by 100 again. That means it should be divided by 10,000 to get the answer.
Okay, ma'am. So,
Okay,
ma'am,
100 is extra. That into 100 will happen only when it's division. So that the 100, see what happened? 0.2 divided by 1.2. So you multiply 10, you multiply 10. So what happens? 10 and 10 get cancelled. That's why it can be multiplied to both the numbers. In multiplication, the 10 will be extra. Where will you cancel it from?
yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, if we do it like this way, that we multiply by 100, so we will get a bigger number and we can put a decimal at the 10,000's place.
Correct. Fair enough.
Ma'am, how many questions are there?
One more. 56 divided by 0.2. So we will do this question with the mission whole number. Remember the way? Mission whole number. Yes, you do. So how do we convert 0.2 into a whole number, Parth?
Ma'am, multiply by 5.
Multiply by 5. Yeah, you
Okay,
can
ma'am,
do that. You can do that. But why to do it? Let's make it easy. Then 56
multiply
into
by
10 is easier. Yeah. So therefore you will get 56, 560 divided by 2. So half of 560 is how much, Parth? 280. Any idea why did we get such a big number? Because we are dividing it with a very tiny number.
Ma'am, I think it should be 230. 2 to the 4. Oh, it is 280.
Carry over. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, there's a shortcut where ma'am, instead of doing 560 divided by 2, first cancel the 0, then we do 56 divided by 2, 28, then simply add the 0 to 28, it will become 280.
That's right. Thank you. Samriddhi, say.
I didn't understand how did you did it.
Assumption method, not assumption, mission whole number. What do we do in mission whole number? We convert the denominator into a whole number. So when I multiply 10 with the denominator, I have to also multiply 10 with the numerator, Samriddhi. And that's how I make it 560 at the top and 2 at the bottom.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Thank you. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, can it be 228?
No, we have an extra 10. Okay, fine. Now it's time for us to have a quick voting. Say Ibrahim.
Ma'am, I don't want to say that, but I think game will not be possible because you made a list of students on other class by asking time-lapse questions. Vedant has that.
Yeah. But then today I would not do that. That was for that day. It's okay. That was when we had a lot of time. Say Parth.
Ma'am, I have sent you another one. That topic you haven't covered, but it's of decimal only.
89 by 3 up to 3 decimals. Yeah. Okay. 1 second, guys. 89 by 3, that was not slided down your options. 89 divided by 3. So 3 times 2, 6. Then 2. Then 9 comes down. 9 times 3, 27. Then 2 comes down. From here, the decimal starts Parth. So pay attention. We put a dot, we get a 20. But the interesting fact is the moment I see 20, I know there is going to be repetition. Why? Because 3 times 6 is 18, which will again give you 2. 0, again a 6, again an 18, again a 2, again a 6. And this goes on and on. So you can write it like this, that it is 29.6 repeated or 29.6 repeated. Or since they asked you 3 digits precisely, so you can write 29.667. That shows that it is rounded off. Because it keeps on repeating 6666666. Okay, Parth?
Okay.
Thank you. So the first vote is going to be for knockback. Anyone in for knockback, the shooting one, then you can raise your hand. 2 knockbacks only.
Ma'am,
3,
what is
4, 5.
knockback?
Knockback. We haven't played it in this class. The shooting one, the where we used to
have
jump on the
played.
platform.
We have.
Pixelator?
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
we have played it.
Yeah, the
Pixelator one.
pixelator. Yes, the
Yes, ma'am,
pixelator.
we played, ma'am.
Number
I
10.
do.
Okay, 10 of you have raised hand. Okay, fine. Next one is last class we have done what?
Crypto hack.
So no crypto hack today. Gold quest. Gold quest. Oh my god. 16, 17, 18. 18, 17. 17 people for gold quest. And the last one I will suggest one more is factory. Anyone for factory? Oh my
Ma'am,
god.
thank you for solving question.
Welcome, Parth. Okay, so let's go with what is that? Gold Quest.
Ma'am,
One more is Fishing Frenzy. Yeah, Fishing Frenzy. Anyone, if at all. Today's subtraction quiz, huh? Okay. Because yes, you people are very bad at subtraction.
excuse me, ma'am.
You play too.
I will play.
Ma'am, is it simple subtraction?
Yeah, it is subtraction. Simple, 2-digit, 1-digit, like that.
Ma'am,
1 second. Now, those who want to speak, only those, please keep your hands up. Others who were up for voting, you can keep it down. Yeah, Janvi, say one by one.
Video one.
Janvi, nothing?
No.
Okay, then Aditi, go ahead. Fast, 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 fast.
Ma'am, can we play Battle Royale?
Okay, people voting for Battle Royale. Anyone in for Battle Royale? Battle Royale, Battle Royale, Battle Royale. 12. Still less than Gold Quest. Okay, hands down, everyone. Those who want to speak, only those raise hand and no game change because I have already started the link generation. So no changes now. Arnav, say.
ma'am, I don't know how to play first number game. You have
What
tell
do you
them.
mean first number game?
Ma'am, you have tell at first which game.
Gold Quest.
No, ma'am. Before
Knockback
that,
we are not playing right now.
ma'am, I don't know how to play.
Knockback is very easy. You don't have to do anything in that. You have to just shoot people who are on the platforms and make them fall.
Ah,
from
ma'am, we
the
have played. We have played.
Nanika, say others join. The link is in the main chat.
I made this in an art camp.
Wow, that's pretty. Very beautiful. Nice,
Maybe
Nanika.
play.
Okay, say Jia. Jia.
Just to remind you, we have to write happy birthday to Arnav.
Arnav, thank you so much. Thank you so much for reminding. I've opened the chat box for everyone. So Arnav, a very happy birthday in advance. I may not meet you tomorrow, but then all my best wishes for you on your birthday. May you shine brighter than the sun. Are you there? You're muted. Speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Others, please drop some cakes on the chat and join the game. Say, okay, anyone else raising hand? No, Nanika, you can unraise your hand. I'll lower it. People join fast. I have not joined though. I am joining. Why is every hairband of mine like this? Just falls off. Okay, fine. Everyone ready? Okay, then.
Ma'am, can you
let's
send
go.
the link again? I can't see it because like everybody's sending. I can't see it again and again. I'm
Okay, okay. Here's it. Here is it.
trying.
Let's go. I'm in. Hmm, 24 of us. Two more who are there. All of you joined? Rianshi is playing with her Peppa Pig or what? That's Peppa Pig, Rianshi? No? What's that show? Oh, that's a elephant. Okay. Cute one. Pink color made me think Peppa Pig. Okay, let's go. 26 in. You all know the instructions. So let's go. I've given you easy subtraction. Disha is also playing with Jia. Oh no. It was 50%, 25%. What is happening? Oh. Huh? Devashri, how do you manage to get so much? By the way, thank you. Oh my God, Ibrahim. Chill. Vedant, quite rich. Oh, Devashri again. Thanks. Samriddhi, quite a high number. Jisha, oh my God, Jia. Hey. You could have taken from someone else who was at high score, but you chose me. No way. They forgot my calculation because of that. Far. You guys are targeting me even if I'm not at first. Nishika, quite a lot of money. Oh my God, Sanya, that was my hard-earned money, which I swapped from Devashri. Oh my God, can't be kidding. George. Yeah, ha, 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 ha. Can't do that so close to the end of the game.
How much time is left?
That's a good question. We have 25 seconds left. What will you do in 25? Oh my God, I got a 50. Oh no. Part swapped with me also. Oh my God, you swapped and I clicked on the wrong number. Manvik, very, very rich. Vedant is taking money from me. Don't you dare. Uh-oh, we are done.
Mom, I was about to swap.
I
Missed the
gave
swap.
19.
Missed the swap with me in the last second.
Yes, that's exactly what happens with everyone. Congratulations, Mishika, Manvik, and Sadhna. Well played, well played.
Ma'am,
Oh my
I come
God.
at fourth number.
I came 19th.
Ma'am,
Okay,
they want fifth.
Ma'am, 100% accuracy.
100% accuracy. Oh my
Ma'am,
God,
at least
excellent.
you're 19th. I'm 23rd, 24th, something.
Ma'am, 54 questions. I can't
Very
read.
good, very good. I'm searching for the maximum number of questions.
I'm
So
8.
far, 75 is me, leave me alone. 30.
Ma'am, I have better rank than you have.
Devashri, 70. 70 right answers, but then we have the highest accuracies with 100% from Jisha, that is Jia and Disha. 100% Shivani, 100%, Arnav 100%, Manvik 100%. Good job, good job.
Ma'am, third number.
Okay, guys, down.
And I answer so much of questions.
No talking regarding the game. No homework for today.
Ma'am,
Okay,
how
so
could you
enjoy. We'll meet back on Wednesday.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
could
class was very
was
good.
telling me to swap, and like something she's telling me triple gold or something. So I just took it.
Yeah, she's too lucky
And
for
nobody
you.
to gold. I got at least 3-5
Nobody gold
times
from me.
triple gold and double gold.
Wow, Parth, Congo. Okay, guys, bye-bye. See you on
Bye, ma'am.
Wednesday. And
you, ma'am.
Arnav,
The class was amazing.
Ma'am,
Bye,
thank
ma'am.
you.
You got triple gold.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
got
Bye-bye.
20 lakhs.
Happy birthday, Arnav.
Happy birthday, Arnav, in advance. Bye, Hanifa. Bye, Ibrahim. Bye, Shivani, Mishika. Bye, Parth. Bye-bye,
Ma'am, I
Devashri.
got triple times 5 times.
I got it. Bye-bye.
Ma'am,
Happy
The class
birthday.
was
Yeah,
great.
Mishika. Thank you. What happened, Mishika?
ma'am, you forgot the last question.
Everyone answered it already. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.